Jai Jagannath. Friends, this is Vasudev Panda. Welcome to Master of English. ପିଲେ ବାୟୋଲୋଜି ବହୁତ ପିଲାଙ୍କର ଇଏ ଥିଲା ସାର୍ ବାୟୋଲୋଜି ସେସନ କେବେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହବ ଆଇଟି କେବେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହବ ଆଇଟି ବି ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହବ ପିଲେ ବାୟୋଲୋଜି ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିଛି ବାୟୋଲୋଜିର ମାନେ ତମର ଚାରିଟା ଆଠଟା ୟୁନିଟ୍ ପାଞ୍ଚଟା 10ଟା ୟୁନିଟ୍ ଦେନ୍ ତମର ଆଇଟିର ଯୋଉ ଚାରିଟା ୟୁନିଟ୍ ଏଇ ସବୁ ସାରିବା ଚିନ୍ତା ନାହିଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏମସିକ୍ୟୁ ଆଉ ଅଧିକା ମତେ କହିବ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ତ ଯାହା ଦିଆହବା କଥା ଦିଆହବ ତମର ହେଲା ତ MCQ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन 2025 पिलांका ପାଇଁ 2025 ରେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ପରୀକ୍ଷା ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି କ୍ଲିୟର ପଢିବା ओके लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट तो स्टार्ट करबा पूर्व जदि आमे माने फर्स्ट टाइम जॉइन करछे फ्रेंड्स मान को सहित शेयर कर देबा सेशन टाकू जहा फल सेमाने भी जॉइन हेबे क्लास रे बुझला MCQ सेशन टा स्पेशली ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସ୍ ମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ମିଶିକି କ୍ଲାସ୍ କରିବା ସେତେବେଳେ କ'ଣ ହୁଏ ଆମର ମାନେ କମ୍ପିଟିଟିଭନେସ୍ ଆମ ଭିତରେ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ ହୁଏ କି ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗ କେତେ ପଢୁଛି ମୁଁ କେତେ ପଢୁଛି ବୀରେନ୍ଦ୍ର ଗଡ୍ ବ୍ଲେସ୍ ୟୁ ତ ଯିବା ତାହେଲେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର ସେସନ କୁ ଯିବା ତାହେଲେ ନାଇଁ ପ୍ରଥମ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ହେଉଛି ଇନ୍ ଡ୍ୟୁ କୋର୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ଇଭଲ୍ୟୁସନ୍ it is interesting to find that plants showing allogamy and their pollinators have evolved together. And it is called option A, co-evolution, B, mutualism, C, and proto-cooperation, D, commensalism. In due course of evolution, it is interesting to find that plants showing allogamy and their pollination have evolved together. And it is called co-evolution. Option A. याकु कौन कहा जाए पिले co-evolution बोली की कहा जाए Option A co-evolution होची ठीक होता Next question देखिए Next question हला The innermost layer of wall layer is The innermost layer of wall layer is innermost layer wall layer ro innermost layer को कौन कहा जाए Option A tapetum B epidermis C endodermis D endothecium कौन कहा जाए So what do we call the innermost layer of the wall layer It is called tapetum is the right answer Option A tapetum होची ठीक उत्तर Next question परवर्ती प्रश्न आला due to triple fusion वीरेंद्र yes due to triple fusion dash is formed triple fusion द्वारा कौन सृष्टि हेता है Option A zygote Option B embryo Option C endosperm Option D zoospore प्रश्न थिला ड्यू टू ट्रिपल फ्यूजन डैश इज फॉर्म्ड ट्रिपल फ्यूजन द्वारा कौन तैयारी हेता है कौन सृष्टि हेता है अब यार राइट आंसर होची zygote कौन पिले zygote ड्यू टू ट्रिपल फ्यूजन zygote is formed sorry it is endosperm it is not zygote it is endosperm so due to triple fusion endosperm is formed endosperm is the right answer it is option C परवर्ती प्रश्न देखिए fertilization was discovered by fertilization को किए discover करते हैं who discovered fertilization fertilization is discovered by option A Stratsburger option B Mendel option C Nites and Nice and option D Bohr fertilization was discovered by fertilization को किए आविष्कार करथिले पले ठीक उत्तर कोन ठीक उत्तर होची fertilization is discovered by Strasburger होची राइट आंसर परवर्ती प्रश्न देखिबा zygote develops from dash zygote develops from dash cell of the embryo sac zygote develops from dash cells of the embryo sac. Zygote develops from dash cells of the embryo sac. ठीक उत्तर कौन? XL. XL ऑप्शन थिला egg, synergid, antipodal, nucellus. तो ठीक उत्तर होची zygote develops from egg cells of the embryo sac. परवर्ती प्रश्न. Next question है when gynoecium matches fast, it is called dash to effect cross pollination. When gynoecium matures fast, it is called dash to effect cross pollination. Option A, protozeny. Option B, protandry. Option D, hercogamy. Option D, unisexuality. Which is the correct answer? पटापट उत्तर दबाविले. प्रश्न दिला when gynoecium matches fast, it is called dash to effect cross pollination. It is called protozeny. 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 When gynoecium matches fast, it is called protozeny to effect cross pollination. परवर्ती प्रश्न. Covering of microspores retread is made of. Covering of microspore retread is made of dash. Option thila cellulose, B pectocellulose, C sporopollenin, and D none of these. ठीक उत्तर कौन? Which is correct? Covering of microspores retread is made of cellulose. Option A cellulose. रुद्रनारायण. Yeah. परवर्ती प्रश्न. So development of haploid plants. Development of haploid plants from totipotent pollen is called just option A androgenesis, B parthenocarpy, C emasculation, D somatic hybridization. कौन होगा? Development of haploid plants from totipotent pollen is called Birendra Patel. Option B, it is parthenocarpy. Taruna Panda, Rudranarayan Senapati. Development of haploid plants from totipotent pollen is called androgenesis. It is called androgenesis. So the right answer is option A. It's not B. It is option A, androgenesis. Next question. In pulses, proteins are stored in. In pulses, pulse manakare, proteins are stored in. Option A, it is endosperm. B cotyledons. C pericarp. D seed coat. So in pulses, proteins are stored in. Pulse रे protein code is store होगी था. रुद्रनारायण सेनापति seed coat. It is the cotyledons. Proteins are stored in cotyledons. It is option B. Cotyledons is the right answer. परवर्ती प्रश्न देखिए. Seed coat is derived from. तमें जो seed coat कथा कहूतलो. Seed coat is derived from कोटू derive ही क्या मैंने कोटू आस्ची. Seed coat is derived from option A pericarp, B epicarp, C integuments of ovule, D nucellus. Seed coat is derived from pericarp, B epicarp, Birendra Patel. It is option C. Integuments of ovule. This is the right answer. Very good. Seed coat is derived from integuments of ovule. C is the right answer. Baijanti Mahapatra. C. The right answer. परवर्ती प्रश्न देखिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज pollen grain? Pollen grain कहले कौन? What is pollen grain? Option A, microspore mother cell. Option B, male gametes. Option C, male gametophyte. Option D, partially developed embryo. प्रश्नटी थिला what is pollen grain? Option A, microspore mother cell. Birendra Patel. Option C, it is male gametophyte. Good answer. You are absolutely correct, Birendra. So pollen grain, pollen grain is a male gametophyte. It's nothing but it's a male gametophyte. Right? Option C. परवर्ती प्रश्न देखिबा. Entry of pollen tube through the chelazal end, chelazal end is called. Option A, orogamy. B, mesogamy. C, basegamy. D, syngamy. प्रश्न थिला entry of pollen tube through the chelazal end is called. Option A, orogamy. Birendra, option B. Option B is mesogamy. And this is wrong. This is not the right answer. The right answer is option C. It is basegamy. Basegamy. परवर्ती प्रश्न देखिए. Which type of pollen grain are found in insect pollinated flower? Basegamy, yeah. Which type of pollen grains are found in insect pollinated flower? Insect pollinated flower रे को भलिया pollen grain सबु मिली थांती. Option A, hygroscopic. B, light and sticky. C, light and rough. D, heavy and color. Which type of pollen grains are found in insects? Option A, hygroscopic. B, light and sticky. C, light and rough. Okay, Rudranayan Senapati. Option B, light and sticky. That's the right answer. Very good. Well done, Rudra. So, light and sticky pollen grains are formed in insect pollinated flower. Paravati Prashna. The alluron, A-L-E-R-U-R-O-N-E, alluron. The alluron layer in maize grain is specially rich in dash. Option A, starch. Option B, lipid. Option C, auxins. Option D, proteins. The alluron's layers in maize grain is especially rich in. Option A, starch. B, lipid. C, auxins. D, proteins. Option D, proteins. Bajant Mahapatra, Bajanti, Rudranayan Senapati. Option D, ठीक उत्तर पिला. Option D होची ठीक उत्तर. It is rich in proteins. Yeah, exactly, rich in proteins. परवर्ती प्रश्न. The plant part which consists of two generations, one within the other, is dash. The plant part which consists of two generations in exactly one within the other, गोटे भितर आउ गोटे, is ताकू कौन कहा जाए? Option A, germinated pollen grain. Option B, fertilized ovule. Option C, embryo. Option D, seed. Option A, germinated pollen grain. Option B, unfertilized ovule. Option C, embryo. Option D, seed. It is option B, Rudranayan Senapati. Yeah, it is unfertilized ovule. This is the right answer. This is called the unfertilized ovule. Paravarti prashna. Next question. The fertilization in which male gametes are carried through pollen tube is known as. The fertilization in which male gamete are carried through pollen tube is known as option A syngamy, B parogamy, C siphonogamy, and D it is chalazogamy. प्रश्न थिला the fertilization in which male gametes are carried through pollen tube is known as option A syngamy, B parogamy, C symphonogamy, D chalazogamy. It is option C symphonogamy. रुद्रनारायण सेनापति या करेक्ट. आउ तीनोटी प्रश्न गोटे गोटे सेट रे 21 प्रश्न पिले करिबा यूनिट 1 को सारिबा पई कम से कम दुईटा कि तीनटा क्लास चलिबो. परवर्ती प्रश्न which of these is not essential for allogamy? ए भितर कोटा allogamy पई आवश्यकता नहे. ऑप्शन ए self fertility, self sterility, B nicogamy, then C hercogamy, D none of these. None of these. कोटा ठीक होता. The right answer is it is NOT. None of these. Option D. None of these. Option D. परवर्ती प्रश्न देखिबा. परवर्ती प्रश्न होचे stack with which ovule remains attached to the placenta is called as. Stack with which ovule remains attached to the placenta is called as. याको कौन कहा जाए? ऑप्शन ए फ्यूनिकल, बी राफे, सी हिलियम, डी चलाजा. इट्स कॉल्ड फ्यूनिकल. याको कहा जाए फ्यूनिकल. Stack with which ovule remains attached to the placenta is called funicle. Yeah. Last question. शेष प्रश्न आज रही सेशन रो शेष प्रश्न. Which one of the following represents an ovule where the embryo sac becomes horseshoe shaped and the funicle and micropyle are close to each other? Option रहिला. Option A Amphitrophos, option B Anatrophos, option C Sarcinotrophos, option D Atronophos. Which one of the following represents an ovule where the embryo sac becomes horseshoe shaped and the funicles and micropyle are close to each other? Option A Amphitrophos, option B Anatrophos, C Sarcinotrophos, D Atrophos. The right answer is it is Amphitrophos, option A. तो ये थिला पिले 21 प्रश्न 2021 रो 21 रो सेशन सब हबो. ओके आ पिला जदी जॉइन करिवे नै 3 4 ए बळा जदी रहिबे मु क्लास करिवि नै ओरे मते दोष दब नै. मु गोटे गोटे सेक्शन रे हमर 150 पिला रहंती से बळा सेक्शन रे क्लास करूछु हम. आ गोटे दीटा पिला हेले मजा लागिबो नै पिले. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग. स्टे ट्यून्ड मास्टर इंग्लिश. जय जगन्नाथ.